So hey guys, and the OnePlus 8 series is on its way. We have seen the official trailer, we have seen renders, specifications and also the pricing. What you are looking right now is your live look to the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is OnePlus' most expensive flagship till date. So you can see it is running the settings about phone section application, which reveals the most important specifications. You see it's having a transparent clear case which comes out of the box, and this time OnePlus is using the punch hole selfie shooter on top left, so the status icons are shifted to the right. The official render on the about phone section confirms this is a legit leak, and the model number shows it is the OnePlus 8 Pro. You see it runs on the latest Snapdragon 8655G CPU, has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal phone memory. There is quad camera setup with 48 megapixel IMX689 custom Sony sensor. OnePlus also shared some camera samples of daylight and night light. This looks amazing. Then we have IMX586 wide angle 8 megapixel telephoto and 5 megapixel color filter for color accuracy and to avoid the flickers. It also says the display is 120Hz Fluid AMOLED of 6.78 inches, so quite a big phone it is, as big as the Galaxy S20 Plus which I am using right now. And this one runs Hydrogen OS, so this is a Chinese variant, and the model number is IN2020. Exciting part is there will be a MEMC chip, which is motion estimation, motion compensation, that's gonna add frames while watching videos and will be supported by these 12 applications. Now you can see the chin is really small, looks smaller than the OnePlus 7 Pro, and that's a nice thing. It has a really curved display. The standard 8 is quite flat, 8 is like Galaxy S20 Plus, and the 8 Pro is like the OnePlus 7 Pro, which I really like the curved design. This one is definitely for me. For those interested in the standard 8, we also have a blurry live image of the OnePlus 8 leaked a few months back, and it shows the exact same specifications which will be there in the standard device. So which one you think is the best? Which one would you choose? OnePlus 8 versus OnePlus 8 Pro? OnePlus is also working on exclusive software features for the OnePlus 8 series like new Phonetic mode with custom wallpapers, Night mode 2.0 and much more. We also have some exclusive images of the OnePlus Swap Charge 30 wireless charging stand, and you can see it from every single angle. It's quite thick, and that's cause there's a cooling fan inside. There's also a magnetic bulb which I think is to make device stick and not fall easily. It's gonna retail for 70 euros, which I think is really nice pricing. So that is all guys, a few days left for the official announcement, and are you excited? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.